Oh man. So I just dropped Didi off because her bus didn't show up in Canmore. So I had to drive an hour and 15 minutes into Calgary, drop her off at the airport, head back to Canmore, which is what I'm doing now. Because Nikki, Julio, and I are supposed to do Via Ferrata on one of the mountains, which is like you're like strapped into the mountain, and there's like metal like bars that you like walk onto and stuff. So it's really cool, but it's raining, as you can see. So I think we're gonna try to reschedule that. But yeah, I didn't really talk too much in the vlog yesterday, just because it was also raining. But we did Yoho National Park. It was cool. It was rainy, but I think the rain added to the aesthetic of like, it was very piney, very, I was thinking like Twilight while I was driving through it. But it was cool. I mean, we saw Emerald Lake, which is like a small little lake that people canoe on. Really pretty. You can walk around it, which we didn't do because we were stuck on time because James had to leave. And then we did the Natural Bridge, which was really cool. Really quick little walk. We also did Wapta Falls, which was a nice little like hour-and-a-half hike, easy hike. And the waterfalls is just like, it's like a mini Niagara Falls, like a mini Niagara Falls. So that was pretty cool. And then we did Cacao Falls, which was like a really tall waterfall that we got to see from down below. That was actually really cool. So that's what we did yesterday. And then we got ramen because it was all super rainy and we were in the mood for hot soup. So we got ramen, and then we made friendship bracelets. All of us got to choose a color, and then we're currently making them right now. But yeah, that was just like the TLDR for yesterday, just because I didn't talk too much. As for today, I don't really know what we're doing, because if we reschedule the Via Ferrata, probably just play it by ear and see what's up. But yeah, the weather's pretty gross today, so we shall see.
Up in this bitch, don't take your flicks. Come at the treacherous bottom of this pit. Yeah.
There's snow on the mountain now.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100.